6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
On October 10, 2014, NASA's Langley Research Center released a video titled "A Way to Explore Venus." They proposed using a dirigible called H.A.V.O.C, which is an acronym for High Altitude Venus Operational Concept. The vehicle will be controlled by propellers that are located in the middle of the craft, and fins that are located at the end. The astronauts would fly back into orbit using a rocket that's attached to the back of the gondola. But there's just one problem with this. Venus has insane wind speeds, some clocking in at 700 kilometers per hour. At this speed, you would be able to circumnavigate the Earth in just 18 hours. It would be impossible to navigate or take off in these currents, but there's a way around it. The eye is the most calm part of a storm, and at the southern Venusian pole, there are massive hurricanes with huge eyes. What you're looking at now is a time-lapse of this vortex that was made using 10 photos that were taken over a period of 5 hours. It shows the rotation and speed of this massive storm. Inside the eye, winds are calm enough to launch rockets from and maneuver around. It might even be mellow enough to make an outpost like the one seen in the video. This is very exciting, and it may lead to future bases or outposts on gas giants. We can drop probes into the Great Red Spot on Jupiter or the Northern Vortex on Saturn. These vehicles would be completely stable when inside the eye of the storm and would suffer a lot less damage.